Building out a complex security model can be challenging, and the maintenance can be costly to ensure that your company's assets are properly secured. In CRM 2015, we are adding some enhancements that will allow you to easily model the security needs for your business, while at the same time be very maintainable. Dynamic CRM currently provides the ability to create users, configure user access through security roles, and allow them to work collaboratively with other users through teams. Additionally, you can expand and restrict access using business units. But have you come across a need where you want your managers in your department to be able to access data from their reports without having to do a lot of access changes? You can get this capability with a single click in CRM 2015. We're adding the ability to configure permissions based on your user or function hierarchy. This can be added seamlessly on top of your existing authorization setup. We are calling this new feature Hierarchy Security Modeling. With this new feature, you can use a manager or position-based hierarchy to automatically allow access to users in a management role. Manager hierarchy is your traditional reporting structure for a company. A position-based hierarchy allows companies to model access based on tiers that can be made up of a group of users instead of a single manager. Either one of these hierarchy access models is easy to maintain anytime a user switches jobs. The administrator can simply move the user to a different position or update their manager. This decreases the number of updates required in order to restrict or allow access for the user in the new role. Let's dive into a scenario where the manager-based hierarchical access could be used for your organization. Here we have an organization structure for Adventure Work Cycle. Jackson is the CEO, Sanford is the VP of Sales, and Freddie, Lisa, and Christopher have their respective sales teams. Larry, on Freddie's team, has been working diligently with the customer on a deal for the past 6 months. While Larry's on vacation, the deal is in the critical path in order for Freddie's team to make the sales quota for the end of the quarter. Since Adventure Work Cycle is using hierarchical security modeling, Freddie has the ability to view and update opportunities that his team members are currently working on. This allows Freddie to follow up on the opportunity and be able to close the deal to hit the end of quarter sales quota. A position-based hierarchy can work well for companies where their management reporting structure does not map directly to how their sales team sells. Assume the following organization structure for Contoso. At the top is Contoso, the root business unit, and directly below that, we have created 4 individual business units for each of the separate geographic locations. Within each geo, you may have 1 or more sales managers for each of the customer types: public sector, Fortune 500, and maybe small to mid-sized businesses. For different customer types, there may be 1 or more sales representatives. Using hierarchical security modeling, the sales managers at each of the parent positions will have access to view all of the deals that the team members in the lower positions are working on. This allows for the senior roles to be able to carry out a deal even if access was not explicitly given to them by the sales rep working on the deal. To configure hierarchical security modeling, you can simply navigate to Settings. And within Settings, we've created a brand new area for security. From here, click on Hierarchy Security. On the screen, you'll be able to do your security configuration. You can select which type of hierarchy you want to use, manager or position-based hierarchy. By clicking the configure links under each, you can build your hierarchy to fit your business requirements. The hierarchy depth can be updated to allow read access to different levels of a manager or position hierarchy. For example, a hierarchy depth of 2 enables a manager to view the records of the users within 2 levels below. You can also specify which entities you do or do not want to have enabled for hierarchical security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this feature along with the many others we've packed into CRM 2015.